For many widows, the death of a spouse often marks the beginning of a new struggle. Besides coping with the emotional loss, many are forced into prolonged succession disputes as they fight to inherit property legally left behind by their husbands. Accessing lands, shares, family businesses, and other assets remains a major challenge, leaving many unable to pay school fees for their children, maintaining their households, or even afford contribution to the social health authority.
Kuna pesa yenye bwanangu aliacha, shares ya KCB, shares ya Kenya Railways. Nimefuata mpaka hata sasa sijaipata. Tulikuwa wawili, mwingine amekufa. Hiyo ni ya kwanza. Ya pili, mimi kama mjane niliachwa nikiwa msichana mdogo. Nimejaribu sana kufundisha watoto wangu. Nimemfundisha kwa shida. Ukienda huku unaambiwa hapana, hakuna. Wengine ni wagonjwa. Hatuwezi hata kuenda kulipa SHA.
It is against this backdrop that the widows from across the Nyanza region came together to form the Nyanza for Widows Women Group, an initiative aimed at empowering widows socially and economically through various income-generating activities and support programs. The members say the group has enabled them to confront many of the challenges associated with widowhood and rebuild their lives with dignity.
Wajane waungane pamoja, tukue familia moja. Sasa ndio tulianza na Homa Bay. Tukasema wacha tuweke pana hili tuingie Migori. Tukaingia Migori tukapata. Tukaingia Kisumu tukapata. Tukaingia Siaya tukaungana pamoja.
Tukaona hatuna wanaume na hatuwezi chukua wanaume wa wengine wakuje watupandie vitu kwa shamba. Na hata miti zenye tulipanda zinatumika na wanaume na hawajakufa. Mandizi yenye tulipanda inakulwa na wanaume na hawajakufa. Kwa hivyo tukajifunza mwanamke unaweza fanya chochote ukiwa kwa boma. Kitu kingine chenye tulijifunza kama kikundi, tulijifunza ya kwamba kama wewe ni mwanamke usitarajie chochote yani kutoka kwa watu ama nini. Tarajia mapato yako itoke kwa Mungu na Mungu akupatie maarifa ya kulinda watoto.
The women have now received renewed hope following the legal empowerment initiative unveiled by Nyatike parliamentary aspirant Honorable Roblin Ngoje. The blueprint seeks to educate widows on their legal rights and guide them through the process of acquiring property lawfully left by their late husbands, including land, shares, and other inherited assets. Under the program, women lawyers and legal aid organizations, including FIDA Kenya, will offer pro bono legal services to assist widows with succession matters and property claims.
I know as a matter of fact, the widows have bore the brunt of it. That every time their late husbands pass on, or the other relatives of their husband even try to evict them from their land, even try to sell their houses. And this has been a problem, particularly in the Nyanza region, as much as it is a problem nationally. And many of them have been left then to suffer with the children that they have been left with. And that is why I've thought it is important that we bring in advocates who have practiced. And my wife, in the first place, is an advocate who has practiced for 20 years and has teamed up with many other women lawyers, including FIDA, to come and just engage with the widows to help them understand the process. We will also engage the local courts just to understand, because this is a process that goes all the way to the local courts. We will also engage those courts to help them hasten the process. They will be shown what forms to complete, what do you need, and so on and so forth. So the services will be pro bono. There will be no cost to them. Yeah, the cost that will be required for, say, fees that are required for the courts, we'll take care of that. Yeah. So the awareness will be for free of charge, and that will help them a lot.
The initiative also aims to increase awareness of inheritance laws and help beneficiaries navigate the legal process without unnecessary delays. He noted that by bringing legal experts closer to the grassroots, the program will enable widows to secure their rightful inheritance more quickly.
And it will reduce the number of conflicts that we have faced from time to time, that some of them have been so harsh that could even lead to death. So we have very good intentions to bring in experts that can help our widows.
Lennox Odede reporting for Ndizi TV Africa from Migori County.